In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your chart layouts to stay organized in TradingView. Keeping your chart layouts well organized is crucial for anyone who regularly uses TradingView, whether you're an experienced trader or just starting. So, let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to start by tapping the menu. If you're on the web version of TradingView, you'll find this menu conveniently located at the top left of your screen. However, if you're using a mobile device, it'll be on the top right. This menu serves as the gateway to accessing different features within TradingView, so it's a great place to start for any adjustments you need. Once you open the menu, your next step is to select Manage Chart Layouts. This option gives you a comprehensive view of all your existing chart layouts and their current names. It's an essential feature to know, especially when you have multiple chart setups and need to quickly identify each one. After you click on Manage Chart Layouts, search through your list and find the layout you'd like to rename. With your layout identified, your next task is to click on Rename. This action prompts an editable field where you can input the new name for your chart layout. This flexibility in renaming allows you to categorize your layouts in a way that makes logical sense to you, aiding in faster navigation and lesser confusion down the line. Now, it's time to type your new layout name. Whether it's naming it after a specific trading strategy, a particular asset, or any identifier that makes it easier for you to remember, this is your space to customize. Naming your charts accurately is not just for aesthetic purposes, but also ensures that you streamline your trading process. Think of it this way: you wouldn't want to enter a trade based on the wrong layout because they were insufficiently labeled, right? Finally, once you're content with the new name, the last thing you need to do is click on Save. This important final step ensures that all the changes you've made to your chart layout names are securely stored. It's a simple step, but without it, all your efforts might go to waste. So double-check that everything's saved correctly. And there you have it. Renaming your chart layouts in TradingView is a straightforward process that, when utilized, can significantly enhance your efficiency and productivity. Keeping things organized makes your trading experience more enjoyable and effective. Remember, a well-structured approach is key to staying on top of your game in the fast-paced world of trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips